If you've spent months or even years trying to fix your joints, your back, your shoulders, or your knees, and you're still in pain, this could save you frustration. Because there is one mistake almost everyone makes, and nobody explains. Every week I meet people who tell me exactly the same story. I've tried physiotherapy, I've tried chiropractic, I've tried massage, I've tried strengthening, I've done the exercises, but the pain always comes back. Most people believe the answer is simple. If something hurts, strengthen it, stretch it, exercise it, rehabilitate it. It sounds logical, but very often it's the wrong place to start. Because before rehabilitation begins, one question has to be answered. Is your body actually functioning correctly? Are the joints aligned? Are the muscles firing in the correct sequence? Are the ligaments stabilizing properly? Are the tendons working efficiently? And dysfunction cannot rehabilitate dysfunction. Think about a car. If the wheel alignment is wrong, you don't buy better tires first, you correct the alignment. Only then do the tires wear correctly. The human body works exactly the same way. At WellneSpirit, we first assess the complete relationship between your joints, your muscles, your ligaments, and your tendons. We restore proper biomechanical alignment, so every structure begins working together again. Only then does rehabilitation become significantly more effective. Then we accelerate recovery. Using advanced laser therapy, nutritional support, and personalized recovery strategies to improve circulation, reduce inflammation, stimulate collagen production, and optimize cellular repair. Instead of treating one problem, we improve the entire healing environment. Pain isn't always the problem. Very often, it's simply the warning sign that your body's mechanics have stopped working together. Restore the system first. Then rehabilitation finally has the opportunity to succeed.